life ain't all I know. Sometimes I wish that I could fly away. I guess you suppose that all this money could make you happy. So I just want you to know, sometimes I wish that I could fly away.
Now I would wish you the best, and I would wish you success, but I would never wanna wish you my stress. These haters would love to see holes through my tissue and flesh, and I assume if they miss you, you're blessed. And the pretty women don't even wanna kiss you unless you in the Mitchell and Ness, or you push through the best. But when I speak, I make sure every issue's addressed before they twist you and mess and try to get you impressed. And most cops wanna push you, I guess. They figure rap stars always move with a pistol and vest. Listen, it ain't as easy as it looks with me. Some execs is as greasy as the crooks would be. Some women are as sleazy as the hookers be. And how I'm supposed to do right with so much wrong around me. Get rid of the weak and keep the strong around me. Everybody who come along don't belong around me, you know.
You may see me in cars and clothes, but all this money can make me happy. See, this life ain't all I know. All less low, so we doing like, hey. Just rock with me now.
Same shit, different day, just ride through the city looking pretty as the usual. I do. It's the same old thing, got the name on the chain just to let them know who's who. You ain't know so. And they know I'm over here, so they come and find me right after they lose you. It took y'all so long. For you niggas in the way, we can let the gun say, excuse you. At the end of the day, we just tryna find a way, and I might be a come up. Baby, you can hit your ride, but you gotta know how to do more than keep a thumb up. Stick, girl. It's so incredible that it ain't edible, but they know the cake's real. Yo, I couldn't even say, ask these other silicone niggas how being fake feel. Every day is my day, I'ma do it my way. Every day, yeah. Everything about me, what they love about me. Everything, yeah. Everywhere that I be, feel VIP, baby, yeah. And everybody's cool, but y'all just ain't me. Somebody better tell them that we in this bitch like an unborn baby. Hey, see, we be everywhere, and they ain't never there. Couldn't tell you where they be. And you already know, you ain't gotta ask me. You can see that everything is up, son. And I'm so about my money, you ain't talking about no money. You ain't even gotta bring it up. And I hope you don't think we give a sugar, honey, iced tea, or a middle finger up. I just stay sucker free, leave them lanes where they be, and I let my chips sprinkle up. Everybody calm down, there's enough to go around. You just gotta say how much you want to me. Don't know what you looking for, unless it's a problem. I promise this ain't what you want, nigga. Every day is my day, I'ma do it my way. Every day, yeah. Everything about me, what they love about me. Everything, yeah. Everywhere